I always wanted to be a chef. That was my dream long time ago. Even if you find that you're working, but that's not the job you wanted to do, there is still a hope for you. First time when I got the job here at Singita, I started working here as a sculler for 3 years. By that time, Chef Andrew was our head chef.
She always put her head down and worked hard. I remember her asking me one day, can I have a chance of being a chef? And I said to her, yes, you can, but you need to put the time and effort in. If she was working in a PM shift in the evening as a sculler, she would come in early and start as a chef. And she would work 4 hours in the morning. She was hungry for it. And I remember eating staff food and I go, Busi's in the kitchen in the canteen. I know she's working because I can taste the food.
In the kitchen, I get to work like with our head chef Xavier, getting to learn everything every day.
Without scullers, we can't do our jobs, and a lot of chefs come into the kitchen through the scullery section, and you often find that they come in with a hunger and a drive.
She could be a head chef, the way she works, the menu she puts together. She writes menus for the lodge, she plates it. You would not know if the head chef or her plating.
Kitchens are pressure cookers. There's always pressure, because at the end of the day, you can do the best food in the world for 100 days in a row. If you slack on one day, that's how good you are.
Like, you're learning everything every day, so I'm really excited about my new role.
First day when I did interview and she said she wants to be a chef and she wants to be a best chef, she's lived up to that. She can go to any position, she can work in any section of the kitchen, we can move her around and she'll never disappoint.
The advice I could give to younger people, fear a failure. Be passionate about what you want.